nhất xa sự hơi chính em đem cái chính nhập
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ
bắt cái bài bên nghe Nrei te bro chính em ngin hấp xin nhau cái tay pop bắt cái cầm bà chungi
Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Omrupa Premium Meghalaya
Uno ekti jong BJP Meghalaya Pradesh uba em kharkrang ulong baka Sorkar kla Shimkhia ba yega jingmuthe ubom dynamite haga kram ti do yong be an ha min singat Thangsko East Janti Hills District haga santrik urumphang ara jara phunriu kabalam jika jingyam kilai phongot kinong bella ba prangot ki wepat klamen saujur haga jinga kram be kilar pthai kubor haga khatlai trik urumphang ara jara phunriu uba kharkrang ulong baka Sorkar kla pdyang baka dan ke jingti do yong be an ba kla thongru yega jing tokit But ka party kan up ya Kaiphod kat baga jing to ke keraya Shakman halo kan ke Jingjia.
You get to know about the facts about it. In fact, before the state government announced any ex gratia payment, it was the Prime Minister who extended the ex gratia payment to these people. And now a case has been registered, arrests have been made. In fact, the government has set up a commission of inquiry also. And let's look at the terms of reference of the commission of inquiry, because ultimately it all depends on the term of reference. And if needed, that it's not only about getting to know about the incident, how it happened, but I think so as members of the public, we would like to know what is the people involved behind all this kind of, I should say it's an open illegality which is happening. We have never denied it. Government has ultimately come up and admitted that these things have happened, and I think so. It's fair for us to wait for the investigation of the government to complete, the police to complete. No. So the thing is, you cannot have a chief minister quitting for everything that happens. What is more important is what action has been taken by the government. Yeah. That is more important than quitting. So government has taken action, and let's wait for the outcome of the whatever the government is taking now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming! How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.